Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to create OKX Wallet account on mobile. In order to create the OKX Wallet account on mobile, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to install the application. So go to your Play Store. And then on the search box, you need to go and type in OKX Wallet and wait for the application to be installed. When the application is completely installed, click the open button and now you can start creating your account. So here you could go and press the sign up or login button and select the country of your resident and make sure to mark on the terms and conditions and click on confirm. After that, you need to go ahead and enter the email address that you wish to register with. You need to go ahead and press the sign up button. You could also go ahead and create your account with the Google as well as Telegram. Now you need to go ahead and fill out this CAPTCHA. And when you've actually completed that, it's going to proceed you to the next field where you have to go and verify your email address. So a verification code will be sent to an email which you have to go ahead and enter that, and only then you can begin with the next step. You can see this is the sign up code, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy that and then paste it or write on this page. When you're done with that procedure, then you have to go ahead and create your password. As soon as you're done creating your password, it's going to ask you to review the terms and condition, and then it's going to take you to the next. You have successfully created your OKX wallet account. So that is how you could go ahead and create your OKX wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.